Hello, Beez Bladers! Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. As always, you are very welcome and I'm glad you found us. Today we have a very special double unboxing. I love getting to open more than one knife. That's freaking awesome. And we have two knives here that were donated by a patron and subscriber. Jake, thank you very much for donating these to the channel. And you guys, you never know when something that comes into the channel is going to end up in a giveaway. So you want to make sure you're subscribed and that you hit the bell button. And a quick housekeeping note, I have at least 3 or 4 discount codes for 10% off at different knife retailers, at Mojave Outdoor on all their Kizer knives, and also at White Mountain Knives you get 10% off, and KPL Knife Pivot Lube 10% off. If you go through my link, use the code, you get 10% off. I may get a kickback. If I do, comes right back into the channel. Also, I have a bunch of Amazon affiliate links to different sharpening supplies and different knives that I recommend. There's all kinds of stuff down there, so go check that out, guys. So let's get in here and see what he has sent to the channel. For the unboxing, I'm going to be using the Kizer Splinter. This thing is a very snappy knife. Very snappy, very gentlemanly, very lightweight. So let's make sure I don't cut into anything. Wow, it's sharp too. Make sure I don't cut into anything that I shouldn't. And here we go. All right, so, it is packed, and then it is packed. This guy knows how to pack knives, I'm telling you what. Woo, I'm excited. All right, let's start with the smaller package first. Let's get in and see what this is. Do a little filleting. Doing a little filleting here. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Would you look at that? Someone knows I like Kizers. Check it out, guys. It's the Kizer Domin. Whoa, it's an Azo design. Here's this side. Look at that. It's so nice and clean. I really like when orange and green are together. I have a couple other knives that have that colorway. The handle, I like the texture on this handle. It's G10. But I'll let you look at this side if you want a screenshot. Come on. There you go. There's this side. Looks like we have VG tint for the steel. Here's this side. Let's see what the blade looks like. Oh, yeah, it has good action, too. Nice stone wash on that blade. Drop point. Has a nice belly to it. It's really nice. Coming up here, it does not have much of a sharpening choil to be heard of. You can tell I had chips. I have a yellow fingernail. But yeah, not a whole lot of sharpening room before you hit the plunge grind right there. But that's not too bad. The plunge grind's pretty steep, so it's not going to be too bad of an issue there. But here it says VG10. Your model number is V4516A2. Nice texture. Let me see if I can get in here enough where you guys can see the texturing. There you go. There you go. And I'm seeing from the looks of this that we have a reversible pocket clip. It is not deep carry. You have a little, you're not going to have much sticking out of your pocket. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Enough to help get it out of your pocket. Very sturdy pocket clip. Wow. That sucker is sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. And then you have a lanyard hole back here. And this is, I'm guessing G10 or plastic. I'm not positive on what that's made out of. Has really nice looking liners, and you can see right down in here, look inside, nicely milled out for weight, which is very nice, very, very nice. Keep looking for flippers. Half the knives I have flippers. What's our lockup percentage? The lockup percentage is good. We're good right there in the 50% mark. It's nice and smooth. Let me grab my flashlight. All right, let's see if we can see what's inside. I think I'm detecting, I can't positively tell, but of course this is just a quick unboxing. You guys will get all the good details when I make the next video. Man, it has a nice feeling edge, and there's almost a recurve going on here. It looks like maybe just the slightest of recurve before the belly. Man, this is going to be a slicer. Has a full flat grind. Wow, that is pretty cool. And man, I like the feel of it. But as far as deployment, it's right out there. It grabs a hold of my thumb, comes flying right out. Yeah, it has a really good thumb stud. I don't think I'm going to be able to get my finger in there to do a reverse flick. Right now it ain't happening. Ain't happening. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get in there for a reverse flick. Now, I do notice that the thumb stud is really close to your scale. You do have a nice cutout here for reaching your lock bar, which is really nice. There's no lock stick or anything. But as far as the thumb studs, they're kind of up in there. But they stick out just enough where your thumb, the meat of your thumb grabs it and pow, right in the kisser. Pow, right in the kisser. So that's very nice, very, very nice. Let's take a quick screenshot. And let's see, I didn't check. The centering, I mean, this is not a brand new knife. It is used, so it could have walked a little bit. Centering's a little to the show side, but who knows, that could be fixed very easily. And what do we have in the pivot? What? Boy, that's kind of giving me some wiggle room with the T8. That might even be bigger than a T8. And for the body screws, we have T6s. T6s for the body screws. And it's a fixed pivot, which is really nice. I like it when you don't have to put a T something on both sides. That's always really nice. Boy, that pivot's making me wonder if it's maybe a size up. I'm going to check real quick. Use my handy dandy Weehaw set. Link to this is also in the description. This is like very, very recommended bits. They're very tough. You know what, guys? That's a T10. This is a T10. And it's fitting in there comfortably. That is a surprise. I'm not used to that. Okay. All right. Moving on. Okay. So as far as ergos, I mean, you can't get much more neutral than that. I'm not feeling, nothing's bothering me right off the bat. I'm feeling a little bit right inside of here. Inside of the G10, I'm feeling that where, you know, it's always sharp inside of knives. Just right here. Over here, you can't feel it because of the way the liners are. The liners stick up just a little bit. I kind of like that shadow boxing. Whenever you have that shadow boxing on G10 or whenever I get it, I enjoy it because it takes away from any sharpness from the edge of the G10. Like this all feels really nice. There's no jimping, doesn't need it. My hand fits it really well. If you wanted to choke up, you could put your finger on this flat right here for some lightweight stuff choking up on it. But you know, you don't have any really finger choil to go through there. That's going to be comfortable. Boy, it's got a belly slicer. So overall, my first impressions are really good. It feels good. It's lightweight. Did I weigh it? Let's see what it says. I'm going to guess somewhere, it's around 4. 3.685, so 3.7 ounces. So it's got a nice weight to it, even though it's a slender knife. It's a more gentleman looking knife, but it's got a nice long handle. The blade is 1, 2, 3. It's almost 3.5 inch blade. And 1, 2, 3, yeah, just about 3.5 inches for the blade and the sharpened length. Your closed length, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Over that, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 3/4 for that. And your total length, yeah, this grid always messes with my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 inches, just a tad over 8 inches total length. So there you go, guys. There's the Kizer Domin. Let's check out the next one. And we'll open this with the Domin. Ooh, boy, it is sharp. Oh my gosh. It is sharp. It's so sharp. Look at that, just shredding it. Man, this thing is, wow. Okay, all right, okay. Put over here for now. We shall play later. All right, well, look at what we have here. Something that's never been in the Beez Blades domicile. It's a 0 tolerance. I've never had a 0 tolerance. This is going to be exciting. And look what we have here. A ZT0350 TS folder black G10. It's tiger stripe. You guys probably have already seen this. You may have. You guys have been around collecting for longer than I have. But there's also a lot of subscribers on this channel that are new. And you guys might not have ever seen this one. So this will be a fun opportunity. Look at this. We got the box and everything with this thing. Now this thing, I've seen it. I believe it is kind of a beast. Oh, cool. Important new information about your new ZT, zero tolerance. Got all kinds of good information in there. Even tells you how to open it. All that good stuff. You can look this stuff up online. That's really cool. And what do we have here? Oh, okay. So it has a reversible, I'm guessing a reversible clip. This is probably to put your clip on the other side. We shall see. Either that or he has put a different clip on it. And, ooh, look at that. Man, look at that. This sucker is a chunker, man. It feels heavy duty. I said duty. So there's this side. The ZT0350. I've heard a lot of talk about this knife. It's been around for a while. This newer tiger stripe, I think, is a newer thing for them. Oh yeah, look at that pocket clip. That is wicked. This is an aftermarket pocket clip. So this ZT pocket clip is the one that came with it. Look at that. That's a tiny, tiny clip for such a big knife. Got a lanyard here that matches the knife. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, let's see what this blade looks like. Wow, look at that. Got a recurve. Nice, big, long belly. Hey, just like me. No, my belly's not that big, but that's debatable. Got a swedge going on up here. Now, I'm not sure what was behind the tiger stripe design. I don't know. That's something I can look up later. And from the looks of these holes, we have a reversible tip up and tip down carry for your clip. Man, I like that clip. That is sweet. He's made it totally deep carry. That is cool. Got some nice jimping up here for the handle. All right, going through here, we have thumb studs. And what's our lockup? Our lockup looks like it's about 50%. More than that. I'd say more about, what, 65? Something like that. So good lockup. I'm not feeling any lock stick going on. You can hear it. It's a little rough sounding, but it's nothing that's bothering me or nothing that's grabbing a hold of. I'm guessing this probably has ball bearings in the pivot. I do not know. That's something we'll get. You know, this is just a first impressions unboxing. That's something we'll get afterwards. So let's check out the action, guys. This is an assist. Holy cow. You would think it was an automatic. I'm not sure what the difference is. This sucker flies out. Pow! Right in the kisser. Pow! Right in the kisser. I like that sound too. It has good acoustics. So it doesn't take a lot of effort. All you have to do is just push and bang, you're out there. Just like that. So as far as ergos, man, the ergos fit my hand pretty well. I'm not feeling any sharp spots or hot spots. There's a nice low profile on this clip and it's not bugging me. It's not hurting me in any way. That jimping is nice. It's nice big jimping for my thumb. That's pretty cool. Now, as far as your blade, looks like, boy, they've got it just about to the plunge grind, but not quite. You get some good sharpening out of it before you get to the plunge grind, so that's a good thing. And on this side, we have 0350 TS, patented, made in the US of A. It's a Ken Onion design, S30V steel, very nice, very, very nice. I like me some S30V. Serial number is 38957. Man, it even has a serial number. That's schmancy, fancy, fancy schmancy. Wow. So that's pretty cool. So the ergos, I'm liking the ergos. I can put my finger up here for doing some lighter stuff. This thing, I already know it's going to slice like nobody's business. Got this recurve blade or recurve edge with this nice big belly on it. Look at that. Guarantee this sucker's going to be a slicer. Get a quick screenshot. This is a pretty attractive knife. You know, for a heavier knife, it doesn't feel like it's that heavy. It feels good. Did I get a weight? Let's get a weight. All right, let's see what it is. I'm going to guess 6. 6.38. Not too bad. Not too bad. That is not too heavy for me. I like a big knife. I like carrying bigger knives myself. I mean, the weight of a heavier knife is what I'm saying. Does not bother me like it does some folks. If I have some basketball shorts on, I wear it in the waistband, so it's not really an issue for me. So there is the ZT0350, and then here is the Kizer Domin. These are new additions to the channel, and you never know when these are going to pop up in a giveaway. But let me guys, let me know what you guys think about them. I know a lot of you have one or both of these. What's your experience with them? What do you like? What do you not like about them? I don't have anything really negative to say about them at this point. Neither one of them have any hot spots. They're both pretty comfortable. Let me know what you think. But other than that, remember to live in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.